Welcome to this first demonstration video about the Git version control system. In this video we will go through the very basics of using Git. So let's go ahead and first check our Git version. We can see that we are running Git on Windows. You can run it on Linux, on Mac OS, any major operating system. Alright, and I'm using Git bash graphical or this command line user interface here. So first of all, in order to make a new repository, we can use the git init command. But I'm going to first maybe make a new directory for us. Right, so now we can go ahead and initialize a new repository. Okay, now as we can see from the path here, Git will create a hidden folder called .git. It has these contents which acts as the version database. So Git will store all kinds of config and the objects, and essentially this is the local version database of the software. Alright, so by running a git status command we can see some general information about the repository that we just created. So now we can see that we are on branch master, which has been created by default. There are no commits yet. So maybe we can now go ahead and create a file. Let's see if I actually have nano here. Yes, I do. So if we create a readme file here, then run git status, we can now see that Git has noticed that there are untracked files. So this means that Git has noticed that there is a file, but it currently isn't tracked by it. So what we can do is add the file in order for Git to track it. So now when we run the status command, we can see that there is now one file added, and we can now stage it, or it is actually staged by running the add command. We can commit it now by running git commit command. So now when we run this command, okay, it will actually open my Visual Studio Code. It is not good. I can run option M to provide a commit message straight from the command line. So we can just say that added a readme file. So this will create a commit, and one file has changed in this commit. And now when we run the status, we can see that we are on branch master, and now there is nothing to commit as we just made the commit. The working tree is clean. Now by running git log we can see the commits that have been made. So now we can see that I made a commit. Well, this is just the commit that I just made, adding the readme file. Okay. Now in the next video we will see how to rename files and some more information I will provide regarding committing and modifying files and viewing the difference between files.